When the title or original proof of ownership to a motor vehicle is destroyed, lost, or defective, it may be necessary to reestablish the ownership through a replacement title before the vehicle can be properly registered, sold, or transferred. As part of the application process for a replacement title, a state's Department of Motor Vehicles or a county tag and title office often require a certificate of title surety bond. Hi, I'm Tyler Klingbeil, commercial underwriter at Merchants Bonding Company. Today we'll discuss certificate of title bonds. What are certificate of title bonds? A certificate of title surety bond can also be known as lost title, title surety, and defective title bond. When a title has been lost or destroyed, the surety bond allows the vehicle's owner to register the vehicle with the state. A bond's specific coverage will be determined by the bond's language, along with the applicable state's regulations. Generally, these bonds guarantee a right to clean title and protect the Department of Motor Vehicles, as well as any person who incurs damages because of a defect in title or undisclosed lien or claim upon the title. Depending upon the applicable state's laws, former owners and subsequent purchasers could be protected. What is the required bond amount? Each state sets its own basis for bond amount determination. Generally though, the penal sum is based upon the condition and appraised value of the motor vehicle, with the bond amount set at the fair market value or a multiplier of book value. However, some states may set minimum bond amounts or require set bond amounts based upon the type and age of vehicle. For example, Georgia sets the bond at 2 times the average retail value as set by Georgia Department of Revenue, with a minimum bond amount of $5,000. And Alabama requires a $10,000 bond for a passenger car more than 10 years old, regardless of the vehicle's condition or appraised value. How are certificate of title bonds underwritten? Merchants underwriting is determined by 2 major factors: the bond size and the bond obligation of the state. The coverage language in each state's bond form, together with applicable statutes or regulations, plays a major role in our underwriting position. Due to good experience, bonds up to $25,000 can be issued instantly online on Merchants' intuitive and efficient bonding website, The Hub. Bonds over $25,000 require a completed bond application, satisfactory credit, and proof of ownership, like a copy of the bill of sale, a copy of the customs papers if vehicle was imported, or a copy of the state's DMV papers. In some cases, we may also require a financial statement. Do certificate of title bonds renew? No, these bonds do not renew. The bonds are only needed for a specified period of time. A one-time term premium is collected when the bond is issued. The rates and terms vary by state. How much do the bonds cost? Most certificate of title bonds have a rate of $15 per thousand. Agents can verify bond rates and information on our bonding website, The Hub. What happens if a claim is filed? All certificate of title bonds work in the same basic way. If the bond's terms are broken, a claim can be made against the bond for compensation. The surety will pay out the claim if warranted, but the bondholder is responsible for paying back the surety in full. How are bonds issued? Those in need of a bond should get in touch with their insurance agent to help walk them through the process. The agent will work with Merchants to issue the bond. Contact Merchants Bonding Company for agent recommendations in your area. Thanks for watching. I hope I've cleared up the basics of certificate of title bonds. Contact Merchants Bonding Company with further questions.